growth for the October to December quarter rose sharply to 7.2%, the highest in 4 quarters, after touching a 3-year low in quarter 1. The government sees this as a sign that India's growth is on the fast track. However, the government's growth estimate for the full year has dipped. Instead of 6.75% forecast last month, the estimate now is 6.6%. That means, going by IMF projections, India's growth rate will be less than China's this financial year. Although next year India is expected to surge ahead. Looking at which sectors did better in quarter 3, the best chunk was trade, hotels, transport, communication and broadcasting services, which grew at 9%. Manufacturing was next best at 8%. But significantly, agriculture growth grew sharply month on month from 2.7 in the September quarter to 4.1% in quarter 3.